Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Anaya Quran Academy. I am online Quran teacher, and if you want to teach your children Quranic Pak with proper tajweed, you can contact us. Thank you. So let's start our today's lesson. Alhamdulillah, we have completed our first chapter, that is Quranic alphabets. Now we will learn the short forms of these letters. Short forms will help us to joining the letters and making words. So let's start. Our first letter is Alif. Please remember, Alif doesn't have any short form, and we cannot connect Alif in the first and in the middle, but we can connect it at the end of the word, like in this shape. Next letter is Ba. Ba. When we cut Ba at the end, so it is the short form of Ba. And Ba comes in middle in this shape. Next letter is Ta. Please remember, Ta has two dots at the top, and it is the short form of Ta, like Ba. Ba, Ta, Sa. These three letters have same rule in short forms. So Ta comes in middle in this shape. Our next letter is Sa. Sa has same rule like Ba and Ta. So it is the short form of Sa. Next three letters are Jim, Ha, Ha. These three letters have also same shape. When we cut their lower parts, the remaining parts will be short forms, like Jim, Ha, Ha. These are short forms. Our next letter is Dal. Please remember, Dal has no short form. It comes at the end in this shape. Next letters are Zal, Ra, Za. These four letters have same rule like Alif. Dal, Zal, Ra, Za. These letters doesn't have any short form. Our next letter is Sin. When we will cut lower part of this letter, so remaining part will be the short form of Sin. Sin. Next letter is Sheen. Sheen has same rule like Seen. It is the short form of Sheen. Next letter is Sod. Sod. We will cut its lower part, and remaining part will be short form of Sod. Sod. Our next letter is Dod. Dod. Dod has same rule like Sod and Sheen. So it is the short form of Dod.